Last part ng day 5 natin, Miss Anna. So, stretch tayo. Hands cross. Yan. Drop your head, round your back. So, sa stretching, kailangan naka-round yung back natin para ma-stretch natin na maigi yung likod natin. Now, push forward po. And then, drop your head. Feel yung stretch dito sa upper back. Now, para sa lower back. Forearm between your thighs. Imagine, pinaghihiwalay na gano'n. And then, pe-press ng legs papasok. And then, mafe-feel mo mag-open up yung upper back. Now, cross hands. Okay, so, hawak sa likod. Cross hands. Then, imagine you're gonna pull yourself up. Pero pipigilan mo para ma-stretch yung lower back. Then, drop your shoulders forward. Alright, now rise up. Shoulders roll. Again, 10 to 15 seconds per pose. Forward. Now thumbs up, thumbs down. Lift your chest up. Okay po. So, that's the stretching for your day 5 exercises. So, pwede namang ulitin po yung stretching na yun for 2 sets.